Sub YouTube, this is my 289 small block, and I had a little bit of trouble starting it this morning due to that I had some points on it, and went ahead and went to the auto store and bought some electronic ignition system. It pretty much eliminates your points, gives you a better reading on your spark plugs, whatnot, you know. And I also went ahead and rebuilt my carburetor. It's a regular 2-barrel carb. Just did a little rebuild on it. Defragger, injections, all that kind of stuff. Valves, whatnot, so forth. So this is my little 289, and I'm gonna show you guys what a real 289 should sound like. And it's on my 67 Mustang. It's right here. So I'm gonna start it out for you guys. I'm gonna disturb the peace a little bit. One of the things that I did notice on the ignition, the vacuum lines that come from your block. Originally, from the points, I had a vacuum line that went into the distributor right here. If you switch your point to electronic, you gotta take that hose out because it's gonna slow down your timing. So with this hose that comes from your block, which is way down there, when I had this one plugged in, these both at the same time, when you accelerate pretty hard, it will stall or choke. So I had to take that out and just plug it, screwdriver or a little nib, whatever. So now it's running pretty good. I think it's pretty cool. So this is my 289 Mustang.